In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the font size settings for check printing in the ChequeSystem software. We'll explore the differences between using a fixed font size and the auto font size option. In ChequeSystem software, the font size used for check printing is set to auto by default. The software will automatically determine the largest possible font size for each field, based on the available space and the length of the input. You can override this auto setting and choose a fixed font size instead. Let me show you the steps. Click on the Settings menu and select Printer and Font. In the pop-up dialog, you have few options about the check font. You can choose the font type. For this example, let's select Copper Black. You can also set the font color, let's choose blue. The account payee only text can be set with a different color, such as red. For the font size, let's change it from auto to a fixed size of 12. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the Save button. Now, let's open a check and see the preview with the new font settings. You'll notice that the text fields are in blue, the account payee only is in red, and all the text is the same size at 12. However, you may also notice that the Amount in Words field has an overflow issue, as the text does not fit within the defined space. Let's see how the preview looks if we set the font size back to auto. In this case, you'll see that the fields are in different sizes. The date field and payee name are bigger, while the amount in words and amount are smaller. The amount in words is now small enough to fit within the defined space. This comparison highlights the trade-offs between using a fixed font size versus the auto font size setting in ChequeSystem. The auto setting ensures the text fits properly. The fixed size can provide a consistent look of the printout, but may lead to overflow issues in some cases. I hope this video has helped you understand the font size settings in ChequeSystem and how to customize them to fit your needs.